సో ఇందాక దాంతో ఎకానమీలో విచ్ వీ ఆల్రెడీ లర్న్ వీ నీడ్ టు include one point, that is the Cholas, they built a network of roads. They built a network of roads and they built tanks for the irrigation purposes over from Kaveri river. They built irrigation tanks, okay, for the purpose of agriculture. Then they had done an elaborate survey of the land and to assess the government share. They did the elaborate survey of the land was done to assess the government share, and the revenue sources was land tax, tolls on the trade, tolls which were put on the trade, and the taxes, then professional tax, house tax, etc., and all those were given for economy. Then society, the society లో ఏమంటే ఇడంగై అనేది లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ కాస్ట్ అంట, వళంగై అనేది రైట్ హ్యాండ్ కాస్ట్ అంట. దే వర్ ఫార్మ్డ్ బై ది లోకల్ పాపులేషన్ మొత్తం లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ క్యాస్ట్లు రైట్ హ్యాండ్ క్యాస్ట్లుగా డివైడ్ అయ్యారు. దట్ ఈస్ డివిజన్ ఆఫ్ సబ్ కాస్ట్, దట్ ఈస్ ఇడంగై అండ్ వళంగై అనేది ఉంది ఇక్కడ. దెన్ ఇట్ వాస్ ద సొసైటీ వాస్ ఆర్గనైజ్డ్ based on the వర్ణాశ్రమ మోడల్లోనే ద సొసైటీ వాస్ ఆర్గనైజ్డ్ based on వర్ణాశ్రమ మోడల్. దెన్ సబ్ కాస్ట్ were also proliferated, that is Kaikalla, Chettis, Cheek, etc. were the subcastes. So division of the subcastes into Idangai, and which were left hand caste, and Valangai, which were the right hand caste. Subcaste levevi Kaikalla, Chettis and Cheek. Kaikallas, Chettis and Cheeks. Then Devadasi system also was very much prevalent in their society. Devadasi system was very much prevalent in their society. Then the religion of the Cholas, the Tiruvalangadu copper plates, they Tiruvalangadu copper plates, Karantai plates, and Ambil plates, they describe the religious conditions of Cholas. Tiruvalangadu copper plates, Karantai plates, and Ambil plates, they describe the religious conditions of the Cholas. The Chola kings were Shaivites. The Parantaka one Chola, he covered the Shiva temple with gold at Chidambaram. చిదంబరంలో ఉన్న శివ టెంపుల్ని పరాంతక చోళ హీ కవర్డ్ ఇట్ విత్ గోల్డ్. చిదంబరం శివ టెంపుల్ మనం వెళ్ళాం కదా చిదంబరంకి. దెన్ రాజేంద్ర వన్, he constructed the Shiva temple in Ceylon. Rajendra I constructed the Shiva temple in Sri Lanka. Rajendra I అతను కాంక్వైర్ చేసుకున్నాడు కాబట్టి. Then they were tolerant towards the other religions also. Then Vaishnavism also flourished during this period. Then Saint Ramanujar was contemporary of the Chola kings, and the temples were acted as an important centers of cultural life. They acted as an important centers of the cultural life. Then Saint Ramanujam was contemporary of the Chola kings. Then there is some mention about the description of the local government from the all-in-one, and again we read about art and architecture from both. Then the description of the local government, the Uttaramerur inscription, Dantivarman of Pallavas and Parantaka I have thrown sufficient light on the local self-government. In the Uttarameru inscription చెప్పాం కదా, పరాంతక వన్ అండ్ దంతివర్మన్ ఆఫ్ పల్లవాస్, they have thrown sufficient light on the local self-government of the Cholas. The assemblies were known as three types, that is Ur was the most common assembly of the people where the land was held by different castes. Ur అనేది it was the common assembly of all the people in the village where land అనేది it was held by different caste people, ఎవరైనా land hold చేయొచ్చు. Then the assembly consisted of tax paying residents, అంటే ఊర్లో ఉన్న పీపుల్ అందరూ ద ట్యాక్స్ పేయింగ్ రెసిడెంట్స్ ఎవరైతే ఉంటారో, సో ఊర్లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరూ దే ఫార్మ్డ్ ఇన్ దట్ అసెంబ్లీ. ద ఊర్ కన్సిస్టెడ్ ఆఫ్ అసెంబ్లీ ఆఫ్ ది ట్యాక్స్ పేయింగ్ రెసిడెంట్స్. దెన్ ద సభ, ఒకటి వచ్చి ఊరు, ఇంకోటి వచ్చి సభ ఆర్ ది మహాసభ వాస్ ది ఎక్స్క్లూజివ్ అసెంబ్లీ ఆఫ్ ది బ్రాహ్మణ్స్ who lived in the agraharas, part of the villages, and who lived in the agrahara villages that were given to them by the brahmadeya grants ద్వారా బ్రాహ్మిన్స్కి ఇచ్చిన అగ్రహార విలేజెస్లో బ్రాహ్మిన్స్ పెట్టుకునే ప్రైవేట్ సభ, ఊరి పెద్దలందరూ కూర్చొని పెట్టుకునే సభని మహాసభ అంటారు. గివెన్ టు దెమ్ బై ది బ్రహ్మదేయ గ్రాంట్స్, ద బ్రాహ్మణ విహారాస్ విచ్ హ్యావ్ గివెన్ బ్రాహ్మణ విలేజెస్ given to them through the Brahmadeya grants. So Ur was the most important, most common assembly of the village, where the land was held by different castes. The assembly consisted of the tax-paying residents, and the Sabha or the Mahasabha was the exclusive assembly of the Brahmins who lived in the Agrahara villages given to them by the Brahmadeya grants. The third type of assembly was the Nagaram, and it was assembly of the merchants in the towns. The third type of assembly was Nagaram, and it was the assembly of the merchants in the towns. Then Samstavariyam was annual committee of 12 members. Variyam was the assembly of committee. It was an annual committee. Annual committee వేసేవాళ్ళు of 12 members who had earlier served in either the tank or garden committee. So, and Samstavariyam was annual committee of 12 members who had either served in tank or garden committee was Samstavariyam. Tottavariyam was garden committee. Erivariyam was tank committee. So Totta separate గా వచ్చి garden committee, Tottavariyam was garden committee, Erivariyam was tank committee, and Ponvariyam was the gold committee. Ponvariyam was the gold committee, and Udasinvariyam was committee of aesthetics అంటే sages. Udasinvariyam was the committee of sages. సో ఏవేవి Tottavariyam garden committee, Erivariyam tank committee, Ponvariyam gold committee, Udasinvariyam was the committee of sages. Then Nyayatta was judicial committee. Nyayattu emodi Nyayattu was the judicial committee, and Vyavasthai was resolution committee. Vyavasthai was a resolution committee, and the Sabha possessed proprietary. The Sabha అనేది Brahmin Sabha, Mahasabha, it possessed proprietary right over the communal lands. Communal అంటే కంప్లీట్ కమ్యూనిటీకి ఇచ్చిన ల్యాండ్స్ ఉంటాయి కదా, దాని మీద కంప్లీట్ proprietary rights were with the Sabha of Brahmins. The Sabha possessed the proprietary right of the communal lands, and it had control over the private lands. And it helped in the assessment of the land revenue. The Sabha helped in the assessment of the land revenue. The Sabha, it again reclaimed the wastelands, and it maintained the roads, tanks, etc. Sabhane మొత్తం పనులు చేసేవాళ్ళు Brahmins. They maintained the roads and tanks, they reclaimed the wastelands, they had done the assessment of the land revenue, they had proprietary right over the communal lands as well as the private lands. Now we move to the we saw different kinds of sabhas, that is Uru, Sabha and Nagaram, and there were some different committees. So all these were present in the Uttarmerur inscription given by Parantakavan and Dantivarman of the Pallavas. So this is about the government and administration of the Cholas. Now we come to the art of Cholas. The Cholas continued the Pallava architecture style. పల్లవాస్ ఉంటారు కదా, అందరు ఇంచుమించు అవే ఫాలో అయినారు, పల్లవ ఆర్కిటెక్చర్ స్టైల్. ఈవెన్ ద బాదామి చాళుక్యస్, ద రాష్ట్రకూటాస్, ద కళ్యాణి చాళుక్యస్, all of them nearly the same. The Cholas, they continued the Pallava architectural style. The Dravida style of architecture of these Cholas had certain special features. The Dravidan style of architecture of the Cholas, it had certain special features. It included a Vimana Mandapam, a Gopuram, the lion pillars, and the bracket and composite pillars. It had lion pillars, the bracket pillars, and the composite pillars, and the Vimana Mandapam, and the normal Mandapam, and the Gopuram. So the Gopuram style was developed under these Cholas. This Gopuram style, this different style of Gopuram, it had developed under the Cholas. Then Rajendra I, he had built a Shiva temple at Gangaikonda Cholapuram. He had built a Shiva temple at Gangaikonda Cholapuram, and he had also built the Rajarajeshwara temple. Rajarajeshwara temple or Brihadishwara temple at Tanjore. He built a Shiva temple at Gangaikonda Cholapuram. The Cholas were famous for their bronze statue of Nataraja. Maybe it is it present at Chidambaram? I don't remember. Then the Cholas were very much famous for their bronze statue of Nataraja Swami. Then Which Chola conquered the North Sri Lanka and destroyed Anuradhapuram and occupied the region called as named it as Mummudi Chola Mandala. He was Rajaraja I, father of Rajendra I. So the Rajaraja I, he conquered the northern Sri Lanka, he destroyed the Anuradhapura and occupied the region and named it as Mummidi Chola Mandalam. Then art and architecture from La Excellence. Then they built great capitals. Cholas built great capitals, that is Tanjore, Gangaikonda Cholapuram and Kanchi, etc. Then large households and palaces were present. They were very big, large royal palaces. They introduced the Dravidian style of temple architecture. They introduced their own Dravidian style of temple architecture. Then Dravidian temple architecture ఏమంటే ఇందాక చదివింది గర్భగృహ it is multi-storied on chief deity's room. Garbhagriha was a multi-storied gopuram on the chief deity's room. Then these stories varied from 5 to 7 and they were known as Vimana. These stories అనేవి either 5 layers లో ఉండేవి or 5 to 7 layers లో ఉండేది and this was called as Vimana. Then Mandapam was Vimana. Garbhagriha was the multi-storied on the chief deity. These multi-stories which గర్భగుడి అంటాం కదా, గర్భగుడి పైన ఉన్న మండపం, గర్భగుడి పైన ఉన్న గోపురం. ఫస్ట్ ఏమో గర్భగృహ 5-storied building on the chief deity and the 5-storied of utti ఆ స్టోరీస్ని మనం ఇప్పుడు గోపురం అంటున్నాం కదా, that is called as Vimana. Gopuram. Then Mandapa was the pillared halls and the pillars were elaboratively carved with lion pillars and they were bracket and they were composite pillars, lion pillars. The pillars were elaboratively carved and the courtyards were surrounding the main gudi temple chuttu. The courtyards were surrounding the structure and the gopurams were lofty gateways. మనం గోపురం అంటాం కదా, దోస్ వెది లాఫ్టీ. మనం గుడి ఎంటర్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు గోపురం ఉంటుందా, మనం ఇది డిఫరెంట్ గోపురమ్స్ అంటాం. సో ఆ ఎంటర్ అయ్యేటప్పుడు గుడి ముందరున్న గోపురం is called as the lofty gateways were called as gopurams. Then pillars were developed, mandapams were the pillared halls. Vimana అంటే తెలుసు కదా, 5-storied on the Garbhagriha. Then the examples were Kailashnath temple at Kanchi, Brihadishwara temple at Tanjore, Gangaikonda Chola Shiva temple. So which was the village elders meet called during the Chola era? ఊరి పెద్దలందరూ కలిసే మీట్ని ఏమనేవాళ్ళు డ్యూరింగ్ ద చోళా ఎరా? ఇట్ వాస్ కాల్డ్ as పెరుంగూరు. పెరు అంటే పెద్దవాళ్ళు. Perunguru was the village elders meet at the time of Cholas. So which king went on war on the Bengal Mahapalaka? He was Rajendra Chola. Then who founded the Chola kingdom? Vijayalaya. What was the capital of Cholas? Tanjore. Which king expanded the Chola kingdom into a great empire? Rajaraja I. Then who built the Brihadishwara temple? Rajaraja I. Then which Chola king made a conquest until he reached the river Ganga and took the title Gangaikonda? Rajendra I. Who built the Gangaikonda Cholapuram? Rajendra I. Who invaded the Shailendra kingdom? Rajendra I. Then who gave the throne to Eastern Chalukya king Raja Narendra? He was again Rajendra I, because he was the uncle of Raja Narendra, who introduced the famous village administration system, local self-government, the Panchayati Raj village administration system, the Cholas. Which inscription describes about the village administration? North Meruru or Uttara Meruru inscription given by Parantaka I, which is meant by the Khadgam. The army camp of Cholas was called as Khadgam. The army camp of Cholas was called as Khadgam. The specialty of the Chola period temples was big towers, that is big gopurams and ramparts. Big gopurams and ramparts were the specialty of Chola period temples. The Cholas divided their empire into mandalams, again divided into Valanadus, again divided into nadus. Then Ramanujacharya propagated the Ramanujacharya, he propagated Vishishta Advaita philosophy during the Chola era. He had migrated to Hoysala kingdom because of the harassment of the Chola king Adi Rajendra. Ramanujacharya propagated his Vishishtadvaita philosophy during the Chola era, but he had migrated to Hoysala kingdom because of the harassment of the Chola king Adi Rajendra. Then Chola king Rajendra, he defeated Sri Vijaya Raja and won over Sumatra islands, present day Indonesia. Sumatra islands, present day in Indonesia. This was called as Kadara conquest. దిస్ వాస్ కాల్డ్ ఎస్ కడర, అందుకే అతని పేరు కడర కొండను ఏదో ఉంది దానికి, దీని విన్ అయిన తర్వాత కడరా. దిస్ వాస్ కాల్డ్ ఎస్ కడరా కాంక్వెస్ట్, కడర కొండ. దెన్ Sumatra or Indonesia islands. Then Cholas manufactured Nataraja figures with brass and 5 metals. Panchalohas. They were the best of the Nataraja figures. They manufactured the Nataraja figures with brass and other 5 metals called as Panchalohalu. This was the best of Nataraja figures. What was the village elders meeting called? Perunguru. Which Chola king went on war with Bengal? It was Rajendra Chola. Rajendra Chola, famous poet of the Chola era, Kamban. Kamban was the famous Chola poet who was present in their court. Which famous scripture was written by Kamban in Tamil? Tamil Ramayanam was written by Kamban. Tamil Ramayanam was written by Kamban. The dynasty of Kolutunga was called as Chalukya Chola dynasty. Who was Kolutunga? Son of Chalukya king Rajaraja Narendra and Chola princess Ammanga Devi. He was son of Rajaraja Narendra and son of Chola Chalukya, Vengi Chalukyas, and the Chola princess Ammanga Devi. He was Kolutunga one. Who wrote Jeevaka Chintamani? Jeevaka Chintamani was written by Tiruttakka Devara. Jeevaka Chintamani was written by Tiruttakka Devara. Who wrote Sulamani? Sulamani was written by Talayokti. Sulamani was written by Talayokti. Cholas followed which religion? Shaivism. Sulamani was written by Talayokti, which is meant by Tankuram. Tankuram was what is meant by Tankuram? It is municipal corporation. Tankuram was the municipal corporation. The system of elections to the municipal corporations was called as Kuduvolai. Tankuram ante municipal corporation. The system of elections will introduce చేసే system of elections to the municipal corporation was called as Kuduvolai was the system of elections. Kuduvolai. So those citizens who owned the land and a horse and they paid taxes were only eligible to vote. And the vote age of the voters must be between 35 and 70 years. ఎవరికైతే ఒక ఇల్లు ఉండి ఒక హార్స్ ఉండి అండ్ దే వర్ పేయింగ్ ద టాక్సెస్ రెగ్యులర్లీ దే పేడ్ టాక్సెస్ రెగ్యులర్లీ. హార్స్ కాదు. those citizens who owned land and a house. ఒక ల్యాండ్ ఉండాలి, వాళ్ళకంటే ఒక ల్యాండ్ ఉండాలి, అగ్రికల్చరల్ ల్యాండ్ అండ్ ఒక హౌస్ ఉండి ట్యాక్సెస్ రెగ్యులర్గా పే చేస్తే దే ఆర్ ఎలిజిబుల్ టు ఓట్ అండ్ దేర్ ఓటింగ్ ఏజ్ వాస్ బిట్వీన్ 35 and 70 years. So the election to municipal corporation was called as Kuduvolai, and municipal corporation Kuduvolai to Tankuram. Then court of poets in Kolutunga was Jayam Gondar. Court of poets of Kolutunga was Jayam Gondar. The book written by Jayam Godar. Jayam Godar was Kalingapattu Parani అనే బుక్ రాశాడంట. ద కోర్ట్ పోయట్ ఆఫ్ కులుతుంగా వాస్ జయం గొందార్. ఆ జయం వచ్చి కళింగపట్టు పరణి అనే బుక్ రాశాడు. వాట్ ఈస్ ద థీమ్ ఆఫ్ కళింగపట్టు పరణి? ఇట్ డిస్క్రైబ్స్ ద victories of Kulutunga. Kalingapattu Parani. Then the titles of Rajaraja one was Arumoli Varma, Mummudi Chola Deva, Jayakonda, Martanda Chola and Mummudi Chola. Martanda Chola, Mummudi Chola and Mummudi Chola Deva, Jayakonda and Arumoli Varma. Raja one's titles. Raja defeated the king. Which king to occupy Madurai? Amara Bhujanga. Raja one defeated which king to occupy Madurai? It was Amara Bhujanga. Which Chola king is described as the southern Napoleon? Which Chola king is described as southern Napoleon? He was Rajendra Chola, son of Raja one. He was described as Rajendra Chola. Rajendra Chola was described as the southern Napoleon. So what are the titles of Rajendra Chola? Pandita Chola, Gangaikonda Chola, Mudikonda Chola, then Nigarilli Chola and Kandaram. అదే కడరం అన్నమా కడరం కొండ అని ఇందాక కడరం కొండ సుమత్రా అండ్ ఇండోనేషియా డిఫీట్ చేసినందుకు హీ గాట్ ద నేమ్ as కడరం కొండ. అండ్ పండిత చోళ, గంగైకొండ చోళ, ముదిగొండ చోళ లైక్ ముదికొండని తీసుకున్నాడేమో, ముదికొండ చాళుక్యాస్ని డిఫీట్ చేసి ఉంటాడు, దట్స్ వై హీ కాల్డ్ as ముదిగొండ చోళ. దెన్ నిగరిల్లి చోళ. దెన్ చోళాస్ were defeated by the dynasty of which dynasty? The Cholas were defeated by the Rashtrakutas in the Takkolam battle. The last one was Kolutunga III. He was defeated by Rashtrakutas in Takkolam battle. Which Chola king ruled the united Vengi Chalukya kingdom? Kolutunga I. Then what were the officials of administration system called? Higher officials Perundaram, lower officials Sirundaram. Which Chola king was addressed as Sangam Tivrata antundi. Sangam Tivrata. It was Kolutunga I. Who was the last important king of Cholas? It was Kolutunga III. Kolutunga II. Then Sailendra king of Srivijaya king, he built a Buddhist arama. He built a Chudamani Vihara at Nagapattinam. The Sailendra king or the Srivijaya king, he built a Buddhist arama in the Chola kingdom with the permission of the Cholas during the rule of Rajendra Chola. Where is it and what is its name? It is Chudamani Vihara at Nagapattinam.